Hello everyone and welcome, and today we'll be working on how to fix YouTube comments not showing on shorts. Now the first thing is just open up a short so you can see. Look at the YouTube comment, it's showing 597, but if we click on it, it says restriction mode has hidden comments from this video. Now some of them will show the number, but when you open it, it will be like this, while some will be grayed out like this. You can see we have 12,000 comments, but it will not show. Now, how do we solve this particular problem? It's quite simple. Click on your profile icon at the bottom, click on the gear icon at the top, click on general, and then turn off restricted mode. And once you do that, if you go back to the comments, go back to the shorts first of all. Now if you open the comments, it will show. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.